Hey everyone, what I've got here today is an inexpensive signal generator. This is a 4 to 20 milliamp signal generator, so something you'd use like in an industrial setting with a PLC, etc. I got this from AliExpress, so this was straight from China. It cost me, right around $15 total with shipping. If I bought more than one, could have been a little bit less. It has the output displayed here, so right now it's at 4 milliamps, and that is the lowest. If I turn the knob, that'll go up or down. There's 24 volt power input, and then the signal output on this side. It's also marked it has input for running off, I think it was 220 volts mains. Not something I'd try myself with something this cheap. It also has an RS-485 interface for something, I'm not sure what. If you push the button, it's, I think, got a menu you can program things. Haven't explored that. Just wanted to see how it does with getting a signal from it. Design overall it's okay. It's small, inexpensive plastic. It has DIN rail mount. The locking part is on the top rather than the bottom. Not sure why. That's odd. If I go ahead and mount it on the rail, it's, see, already I'm getting confused because I have to do it backwards. There we go. It's kind of rattles. It doesn't fit real tightly, compared to other things which are on there nice and snug, like this PLC and these terminal blocks. So it feels a bit cheap, but let's see how it performs. All right, there we go. I've got it hooked up to a Fluke 87. It is currently at the lowest setting, which is 4 milliamps. They do have a model that goes down to 0, so that you could simulate a break in the line or, other strange condition, but I chose to get the one that just goes to 4. And we see we're at 4.01, so that's good. It steps in 0.1 milliamp increments, so that looks good so far. 4.3, 4.4, 4.5. Let's go ahead and move it up a little quicker. Just kind of get to around 10, 11, let's see, 11 and a half, still good. So yeah, it works quite well. The signal is accurate. 16.9, we'll go up to 20. There we go, that's great. So yeah, fit and finish leaves something to be desired, but it does work. This is just something I saw when I was browsing for a signal generator. I like that it's very compact and it has the DIN rail mount. These are fairly common. I've seen these around a lot. I've had this one a while. Much larger, does not have a DIN rail mount. You can see the holes where I drilled that I mounted on another trainer I had. Now this does 0 to 10 volt as well. That is a difference. This does not. It only does current signal. But let's go ahead and hook it up to the PLC and we'll just try it on there. Alright, I've got it connected to the PLC. This is my trainer I recently completed and have yet to make a video about. I'll get to it one of these days, but anyways, I've got a program on the trainer. It's just looking at the signal coming into the first analog channel, and you can see this indicator over here is red. Now it's amber, and if we keep going up, it'll go to green. There we go. So yeah, it's working great, works with the PLC. We had a good signal on the meter. Now I did find one more thing besides just fit and finish kind of things. This was kind of, I don't know, bummer. If I cut power to it, so if I disconnect that, that's going to cut the power. You see the PLC program has gone into an alarm because it saw the signal go negative. But look at that. When I apply power again, it's down to 4. That's where it always starts. So there's 6.7, cut the power again, back to 4. Does not remember the setting. Now this one, on the other hand, does return to the setting it was at prior because it's using a potentiometer to set it, and wherever that's at, that's where it's set. So yeah, that's too bad, but I don't know. I think it's okay for using on this. I'm bumping wires. Using on this where it's a trainer, I'm experimenting, trying things. Is it something I would use in a true industrial setting or any kind of process control? No. I kind of thought that might have been what it was made for. Like maybe they use these in China for something, but I don't know. I don't think it would work too well. Just the fact you lose that when it cuts power is a real downside. But you let me know what you think, or if you have any other thoughts or comments, please leave them below. I always enjoy interacting with people on here, and I hope if you've seen these, maybe you're thinking about getting one. Maybe this helped you out. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.